So yung boy, tamang buhat muna tayo ulit. Nandito na tayo sa gym. Yan. Tutunawin natin yung mga kinain natin kahapon. Pero nagugutom na kami kasi ang aga namin nag-breakfast. So tamang burger muna para may laman yung tiyan. Tapos after ng buhat na ulit. So yun, let's go.
Yeah, can't fool flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me, rockin' boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff, link something like a Moby. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Artist out the ranch, I just told you that I'm bout it. I might take offense if you tell me that you doubt it. That's just what it is, yeah, I'm known to make it rowdy. Then I'm for the fit, and I...
So yung boy, kamusta? Bali mangyayari ngayon, weekdays day off. Kasi balik na naman sa weekdays yung day off natin. So weekdays day off vlog. Baka pwede na sigurong title yun. Sana. Wait lang. So yun, wala namin gagawin. Bibili muna kami ng ng bigas kasi ubos na. Tapos baka bumili ng malamig na kape sa 7-Eleven. Tapos diretso na sa gym. Nagtataka kami bakit sobrang init pa rin eh. Kasi parang, di ba, parang ng mga nakaraang linggo medyo nag-uulan-ulan na. Pero ngayon sobrang init na naman. Parang balik summer na naman.
Kasi tropical country tayo.
O baka sa bare months pa. O hindi mo na rin masabi rin eh, no? Sobrang init eh.
Normal na sa Pilipinas tong ganito.
May mga competi, no? Kasi dito sa dinadaanan namin, San Juan tong area na to eh. Kata may mga competi. Magpipiesta ng San Juan Bautista. O, San Juan Bautista, di ba?
Saan?
Basahan. So, yun. Tingin ko isasarado to. Kasi naglalagay sila ng stage. So yun, kita-kits sa mga clip natin na mangyayari. Let's go. So yung boy, diyan kami bumibili ng bigas. Yan, sa tindahan yan, kay Idol. Let's go. Ito sa'yo mas konti. Dalawang kape sa akin.
Anyway, baby, just name the time. When I'ma come through, can you get me cruising on the moonlight? Top down, playing new sounds while the wind blows over.
Anong masasabi mo sa nitimpla nating ice cup?
So yun, nag-experiment kami ulit. Dati ang ginagawa namin yung selecta na banana na milk. Ngayon naman yung strawberry, tinry namin. Panalo pa rin, sarap. Naiba yung yung flavor niya.
So ano mga nilagay natin? Siyempre unang-una rin yung ice cup.
Ice cup, tapos
Selecta
strawberry milk drink. Tapos yung standard na Nescafe
stick.
Yung red yung standard kasi wala yung gold ba yun? Medium ba yun? Basta yun yung isa. Basta yung hindi
medium roast or dark roast.
Oo yun, tingin ko medium yun eh. So ang ginamit lang namin yung standard na stick. Sarap boy.
Nag-add tayo ng caramel syrup ng City
Yun.
Cup.
Pag gagawin nyo yan, dapat laging merong yung caramel syrup. Yun yung magdadala. Sarap, sobra. Mura lang, magkano inabot? Dalawa na.
73.
73.
Kesa mag-pick up coffee.
'Di ba? Hindi naman sa binabash namin si Pick Up, masarap din naman. Kaso,
masulit
yun nga, masulit to eh. Eh ang hanap ko lang naman yung aroma ng kape. Di dalawang stick, para yung sa akin, dalawang stick yung ginamit ko. Sarap, matapang-tapang siya.
Okay.
Let's go.
Checking my maps, heading a stack, keep it intact. Do me a favor, girl. Can you keep it warm for me? Keep it on for me like a shower. I need it to run for me. Hold it down till I'm pulling up. I finally made it, girl. And I'm at the door, see you walking up to me, and you got something that's showing what's underneath. Still, you expect me to make it do pleasantries, baby. I'm yours. Love what you got on, but I want it all for you. We can play a song while I'm holding.
Yeah, can't fool flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me, rockin' boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff, link something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Artist out the ranch, I just told you that I'm bout it. I might take offense if you tell me that you doubt it. That's just what it is, yeah, I'm known to make it rowdy. Then I'm for the fit, and I drive a wide body. Who you know, but like this, nobody. Can't go slow, I gotta hit that body. I'm the top of the top, I can't never take a break. Yeah, I'm hot, and you not, that's why all my records bang. Oh, it's been a long, hard road, gotta go home. Yeah. Oh, and I know you love the way that I'm gon' keep going. Yeah. Can't do flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me, rockin' boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff, link something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, why they mad at a man like me?
So yun boy, tapos na kami magbuhat. So uwian na. Hindi pa namin alam yung uulamin namin. Medyo gutom na eh. Let's see pagdating sa bahay. Pero tingin ko baka itlogan. Itlogan, no? Possible itlogan. Pambansang ulam yan boy. Pag wala kayong maulam, itlog. Huwag na kayo magdadalawang isip. Let's go. So yung boy, bahay na kami. So 3 itlog yan. Tsaka yung natirang noodles kanina. Tas kanin sa ilalim. Let's go. So yung boy, umunin pala ako ng whey kanina bago kumain. Tapos nag-shower na rin ako. Sobrang init eh pagdating. Tapos ito, late lunch. Kasi late na din yung breakfast namin kanina. Bana tayo pre, bana.
Onto you, rubbing in a hallway, no use for all the wrongs. So what you wanna do? She told me, she said it's all for you. I did it all for you, baby, it's all for you. No.
Sarap.
She said it's all for you.
Pag wala kayong mga ulam, matik. Itlog nyo na yan boy.
It's all for you. No.
Solid. Protein pa.
Catch a vibe here on this trip. I'm in your soul, you're on my head.
Let's go.
Want you at my fingertips.